On today's menu, a delicious recipe that will leave you feeling saucy. Sesame tossed noodles. Lei Homa, that's how it's going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is absolutely delicious, super easy to make, really casual, that you can make every single week. Let's begin. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. Two sticks of green onion, finely chopped. Frying pan, medium heat. 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Toast the sesame seeds for 30 to 40 seconds. Pestle and mortar. Coarsely crush the sesame seeds. This here is a certified organic soy sauce by Kikkoman, and this is kind of like the all-purpose soy sauce that I always have a few of these in my cupboard. I personally really prefer the Japanese soy sauce, and I try to look for the EcoCert JS symbol, which is the Japan equivalent to the USDA certified organic here in North America. This will give the sauce that kind of rich, full-bodied texture as well as an incredible umami. This is kind of like the chef version of perfume in a bottle. This stuff is so incredibly fragrant and incredibly delicious. This pure Japanese toasted sesame oil really takes any dish to the next level. It's so aromatic and a little bit goes a long way. This here is a Japanese black rice vinegar. It's a lot less pungent, and I would say it's more mellow than the Chinese black vinegar that you get in a bigger bottle. It is a little bit more expensive than the big bottle of the Chinese black vinegar, so I do enjoy using this for dishes that don't require cooking the actual sauce. Last but not least, we have the amazingly delightful ruby red, smoky, not too spicy chili oil I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. This of course will add that unmistakable aromatic, smoky aroma and flavor. This I think is really the backbone of the sauce. We're also going to be using these Taiwanese knife pare noodles. Has really quickly become one of my favorite noodles that I always have in my pantry. I recently just found this in my Asian grocery store and I've been really stocking up on these. These are these dainty wheat noodles that are cut into this really unique, really beautiful sort of shape and texture. These will give that kind of really delicious elasticity, chewy kind of texture. And because it's cut into this beautiful kind of ribbon-like texture, it really grabs onto and picks up that delicious sauce. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of those brands. This episode is actually a bit of a companion video to one of the recipes found in the ramen cookbook. It's the sesame tossed noodles. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out this book, along with our other cookbook, Young Man Cooking merch, as well as the plant-based sushi masterclass. All right, let's get cooking. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon black rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons chili oil. Mix and set aside. Boil the noodles to package instructions, in this case 4 minutes. 3 baby bok choy, roughly chopped. After a minute or so, loosen the noodles with chopsticks. 1 minute before the noodles are done, add 60 grams of shimeji mushrooms, bok choy. Be sure to submerge the veggies and bring to a boil. Strain out the noodles and veggies. Transfer the noodles and veggies to a mixing bowl. Pour in the sauce. Mix. Plate. Spoon over some more chili oil and serve. You can now enjoy this delicious plate of noodles with absolute confidence. Man, that just looks so delightful. Boy, oh boy, that is so packed with flavor. I mean, visually, this just looks beautiful. It's so rustic and earthy with the brown and the green, and those noodles really just turned color from picking up all of that sauce and absorbing it. You get this explosion of combinations of flavors from the ginger, the toasted sesame oil, the amazing toasted sesame seeds that were coarsely crushed. You get that saltiness, the umami from the soy sauce, the smokiness and that little bit of spicy bite from the chili oil really brings everything together. The shimeji mushrooms add that extra bit of texture and that earthiness, that umami. The bok choy adds that freshness and a little bit of that kind of crunchy, al dente bite. Those noodles have this really delightful, satisfying, chewy texture. It gives that elasticity, and you also really taste that fresh ginger as well. This dish has such a wonderful, intense kind of sesame flavor, and it's so simple to put together. It really is a savory noodle lover's dream. Like I always say, it's dishes like this that's just simple, rustic, delicious, easy to put together, that just makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out the ramen cookbook, the Cook with Confidence cookbook, the Young Man cooking merch, as well as the plant-based sushi masterclass. To pick up your copies or to find out more information about all those things, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those things out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode.